Hi guys, welcome back to Civil Engineering YouTube channel. You are all welcome. I hope you are all fine. My name is Elvis. Please, today we'll be looking on how to draw a staircase using scale. How to draw stairs using scales. Please, if you are new in this channel, do not forget to subscribe, you like guys, and you share. Make sure you hit on the notification bell to always have the latest updates. Guys, considering we have a stairs to draw using a scale, this is just what we have been given to draw. The distance is 535 to use a scale. This is a scale of 150. We should use a scale of 150 to draw this scale. We don't know the number of steps, but we know that the height of this building, we have been given a height of 290, 2 meters 90. We have been given the height of this building to be 290. I will know that one riser is 17. So if we use 290 divided by one riser, which is 17, is going to give us 17 steps. It's going to give us 17 steps. So either now we decide whether the first flight, because this is the first flight from here to here, because this is the landing. So from ground to landing, then from landing to first floor. But from here, because here it is 0.0, it is positive, negative 0.00. The starting point to the landing is positive 136, and from the landing to end is positive 153. So now we have 17 steps to leave from ground floor to first floor. And now, since it is 17 steps, now we will decide if the first flight is going to take whether the first flight will take 9 or 8 steps. Now we decided to use first flight for 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We decided to use 8, and the second flight we should use 9. So this distance is not given. This distance is not given. But we calculated to know that the number of steps is 17. So that's 17. This is it here. This is the plan. And we decided to cut the cross section here. This is the cross section. We cut and we focus on this direction. So when we cut it across and we focus on this direction, this is exactly what we are going to see on this direction. So we just do our projection. So this is our projection. I'm sure you are really seeing it. This is our projection that we just project our lines up. So if we project this is what we're going to see. We project this. We come here, you project this. This is it. Come here, you project this. This is. So just like that, you project everything, line. You project, you see, so you project everything. And this is the last step. This is the last step. And you come here, you project this wall. Our foundation was given to be negative 100. Negative 100. This is our footing, negative 100. So that from here, it is negative 100 to our foundation, to our footing. But we know that, they have to know that our waist is 12. 12, we use it on scale, so every dimension here, you divide it by 50. So if you use 12 divided by 50, which is the scale, is going to give you 0.35, which is the waist. So this is 0.35. And the landing, the thickness of the landing is 15. So if you use 15 divided by 50, it's going to give you 0.3 something. Maybe 0. but if you calculate it, it's going to give you what you're going to use here. And the height of the riser is 17, so if you use it, it's going to give you 0.35 or 0.34. And the going, this is one going, which is 25. So every dimension, so the 25 you divide it by the square is going to give you 0.5. So guys, the wall is 15. If you use 15 divided by 50, it's going to give you 0.3. I'm sure you're already seeing everything. You're seeing everything clearly. And this is the first step, 1, 2, 3, up to 8, which is the first flight, because this is the entrance. So from the entrance you go, this is where you are beginning, from 1 to, this is the landing. From the landing you bend to the first floor, and which is positive 290. Positive 290 meaning it is the first floor landing. It is the first floor. This is the first floor, and here this is the landing. So you can see everything clearly. So that's why you are seeing here plus 136, and here you're seeing plus 153. So this one is plus 136. You use this 136 divided by 17, which is one riser, is going to give you the number of steps here. And you use this 153, you divide it by 17, is going to give you the number of steps for the second flight. You can see everything clear. And here this is the footing. This is 100, which is the footing, and you can see here this is 5 cm, and here also 5. You can see here 5, and this is the thickness of the concrete. So this is the lean concrete, which is 5 cm. From the lean concrete, you see this is the concrete. This is your footing, that your concrete. This is 25 cm, and from the 25 cm you have 75 here. So you can see the level of your floor. This is your floor that you have leveled, and from your floor you see this is your parking, and this is ground level. This is ground level here, and here this is ground level. I'm sure you have seen everything clear. This dimension, if you divide this dimension divided by 50, is going to give you. So this dimension, it is in to in. So this 505 plus 15 and plus 15 is going to give you 535. You use 535 divided by the square, which is 50, is going to give you this dimension. It's going to give you this dimension. So when we calculated this, so to know this dimension, because in our plan this dimension was not given, but when we know the number of steps, we calculate it. Since we have been given the going to be 25, we use 25 times the number of steps is going to give you the distance, is going to give us this distance. I'm sure you have seen everything clear. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe if you are new. Do not forget to subscribe. You like this video, please like, and you share. Make sure you hit on the notification bell to always have the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next videos.